In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form on Circle. So, whether you're looking to gather information from your community or streamline feedback, creating a form within Circle.so is a straightforward and efficient way to accomplish this. Let's go through it step by step to ensure you have all the tools and knowledge you need. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your Circle.so admin account. This is the command center for managing every aspect of your community, so make sure you have your credentials ready. Once you're logged in, head over to the space where you desire the form to reside. This could be any designated section within your community where collecting responses is necessary. Just be sure to pick the most relevant spot for your needs. After selecting the appropriate space, locate the plus icon. This icon is your gateway to adding various features within Circle, so including our main focus today, forms. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Form. This action sets the stage for building your custom form. Now comes the fun part, adding form fields. This is where you tailor the form according to your specific data collection requirements. You have a variety of options to choose from: text fields, multiple choice questions, drop-down menus, and more. Think carefully about the information you aim to collect and structure your questions in a way that guides users through the process smoothly. With your fields in place, it's time to customize the title and description of the form. This step gives context and direction to your respondents. Select a compelling title and craft a clear, concise description that explains the purpose of the form and any additional instructions. Remember, the more straightforward you make it, the higher the chances of receiving accurate and complete submissions. Once you've triple-checked your content and design, it's time to make it live. Click on Publish. This action will set your form up and running, making it accessible to your community or specified group. You might want to inform your members about this new form via an announcement or a post, highlighting how they can access and benefit from participating. Creating a form in Circle.so is as easy as that. Following these steps ensures that you have a robust tool for collecting information and engaging with your community effectively. Always keep your objectives in mind and don't hesitate to iterate your form based on feedback and results. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide assists you in utilizing Circle.so to its fullest potential. Keep building those connections and happy form creating.